Bwana asifiwe. Hi guys, kwa majina naitwa Adam Jilani, Kenyatta University, Mombasa Campus Christian Union. I serve as the leader in the specialized ministry. Our CU specialized ministry entails the Brothers and Sisters Fellowship. It entails the Buka Fit, that's for the fourth years who are leaving campus. It entails the Answer Fit, that's the first years who are joining campus. So it's quite an engaging docket. The specialized ministry we usually meet in forums, have debates, discussions. It's kind of an engaging forum of one-on-one with members of the Christian Union. Okay, the topics that we usually discuss in our forums in the specialized ministry, especially during the Brothers and Sisters Fellowships, are issues affecting us, the youths, and the Christian community at large. We usually talk about issues of drug abuse, issues of addiction, issues of sex, love, issues of stress, depression, gender and sexuality, as you say. It's kind of a forum that we are not limited, in some point, but basically we are under what the scripture says as the Christian Union. We share personal stories, personal experiences, or maybe something maybe we witness, testimonies, trying to encourage one another. Most people share their challenges, share their ups and downs, Challenges haziwezi katika hii dunia. So that's the key thing about the specialized ministry. Being small as a group is kind of an advantage to us, because even when Jesus was preaching, he used the 12 disciples, and among the 12 disciples there were the 3 key disciples. So I guess being a small group is kind of an advantage to us. So karibuni sana. Thank you. Specialized ministry, impacting Christ.